Physical and chemical properties. Every substance possesses certain characteristics called properties from which it can be identified. These properties are of two types. Physical properties. The properties associated with physical change, which can be determined by simple physical observation, are known as physical properties. Examples: melting point, boiling point, density, solubility, color, odor, thermal and electrical conductivity, etc. Chemical properties. The properties associated with chemical change, which can be determined by chemical reactions, are known as chemical properties. Examples: chemical properties include action with air, water, acids, alkalis, oxidizing agents, reducing agents, etc.